Investing isn't gambling, and it's not magic. It's ownership. Most people think investing means buy low, sell high. That's trading. Real investing is simpler. When you invest, you're buying ownership in something that produces value. A company, a property, a business. If that thing grows, you grow. When people buy shares of companies like Apple or Coca-Cola, they're buying small ownership pieces. As those companies grow profits over time, shareholders benefit. That's investing, not guessing. Ownership. Investing works because of 1. Business growth, 2. Reinvested profits, 3. Time. Growth plus reinvestment plus patience equals wealth. Trading is chasing price. Investing is owning value. One is noise, the other builds wealth. If you understand ownership, investing becomes logical, not emotional. Own quality, hold long enough.